Hey there, finance friends. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down everyday money matters to make your life easier. Today, we're tackling a common issue: how to request a refund from American Express. Whether it's a faulty purchase, an unauthorized charge, or simply a billing error, American Express has a straightforward process to help you out. Let's dive right in. First off, you'll need to log into your American Express account. Head over to the Amex website or open their app, and use your username and password to sign in. If you don't have an account set up, you'll need to create one first. It's quick and secure. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Accounts or Statements section. Here, you'll see a list of your recent transactions. Scroll through until you find the one you want to dispute. Click on it for more details. This is where the magic happens. Now, look for the Dispute Transaction or Report a Problem option. It might be right there on the transaction page or under a help menu. When you select it, you'll be asked to provide some key information. Be as detailed as possible. Explain why you're requesting the refund, like if the item was never delivered or if there was a double charge. Don't forget to include any supporting evidence, such as receipts, photos, or emails. Uploading these can speed up the process. After you've filled everything out, hit Submit. American Express will review your request, which typically takes a few days to a couple of weeks. Keep an eye on your email and account for updates, and be ready to provide more details if they reach out. A quick tip: always act fast. Most disputes need to be filed within 60 days of the transaction date. If your refund is approved, the money should be credited back to your account promptly. There you have it. Requesting a refund from American Express doesn't have to be stressful. If you follow these steps, you'll be on your way to resolving issues smoothly. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped. Subscribe for more tips, and let us know in the comments if you have any questions. See you next time.